Have you ever wanted to turn your favorite photos into stickers? Well, it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. Creating stickers from your photos on your iPhone is easy and intuitive. Launch the Photos app on your iPhone. Long press the photo until you see a white outline around the subject. Whether it's a person, pet, or object, a glowing border will appear, indicating that the subject has been recognized. Now, release the finger and tap the Add Sticker option from the pop-up menu. Your photo's subject seamlessly becomes a customizable sticker, ready to share. You can further tap the Add Effect option to edit your sticker. Explore a range of options, including outline, comic, and puffy styles, each adding its unique flair to your creation. Once set, tap Done to conclude the process. Once you've crafted your personalized sticker, it's time to share it with the world. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Access an ongoing conversation or start a new one. Tap the plus icon from the bottom left corner. Select Stickers to proceed. Choose the sticker of your choice. Hit Send to share the same. That's it. You can easily stack these stickers in iMessages by dragging and dropping them onto any message, picture, emoji, or existing sticker. Furthermore, you can use your finger to adjust the size of the sticker as you wish. Additionally, live stickers can also be stacked within the app. For a detailed video tutorial on how to stack emojis, please refer to the link provided in the description. While the Messages app provides a dedicated sticker menu, you can also share your favorite stickers with other messaging apps. In Photos app, select a picture and long press the subject, then drag to move. Once the subject starts floating, take it to any app of your choice. Simply drop it in any chat you desire. Wait for a moment as the sticker is loading. Once set, hit send and that's it. Apple's sticker creation feature extends its magic to live photos as well. If you've captured a mesmerizing live photo, you can transform the moving subject into an animated sticker. Follow the same steps as discussed. Let the sticker load, and on the Add Effect page, ensure that the live option is enabled. This will breathe life into your sticker, allowing it to move and captivate your audience with its dynamic charm. Once you've saved your stickers, they should appear in your iPhone's keyboard options under the sticker section. You can then select and send them like any other sticker or emoji. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.